Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Figma styles for typography systems step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Figma's official website. Log into your Figma account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're on your Figma dashboard, click on the New File button to create a new design file. To install typography styles, you first need to access the Assets panel. On the left sidebar, locate the Assets tab and click on it. In the search bar of the Assets panel, type typography or the specific style name you wish to install. Look for ready-made typography styles or design systems that match your project needs. Click on the desired typography style to preview its properties. If the style meets your requirements, click on the Insert button to add it to your file. Now that the style is in your file, click on the text layer you want to apply the style to. In the right sidebar, find the Text section. Click on the Text Style drop-down menu. Select the typography style you just imported from the Assets panel. Adjust any specific text properties if necessary, like size, weight, or line height. To save the imported styles for future projects, open the Styles panel in the right sidebar. Click on the plus icon next to Text Styles to create a new style. Name your new style appropriately for easy identification later. Once named, click Create Style to save it. Now you can apply this style to any text layer in future designs without re-importing. Repeat the process for any additional typography styles you wish to install. Remember to check for updates regularly, as typography systems can evolve. Enjoy using your new typography styles for a consistent design experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.